si Kagampang. Ian G. Kaibigan. Ate Laika N. Galvan. Rika V. Romero. Miche J. Malaki. With highest honors, Isel Quincy C. Kagampang. Best in English, good in Filipino, good in science, good in spelling, perfect in attendance, and GSP awardee. Requesting the parent to hang in the medals. Okay, congratulations. With high honor, Nicole P. Buero. Isel Quincy C. Kagampang.
C. Kagampang, with highest honors, will now give her message in behalf of the graduates.
To our school's division superintendent, Dr. Edelberto L. Aplinaria, represented by our school's district supervisor, Dr. Beatriz E. Akdal. To our beloved school head, Mr. Oscar R. Sabugaan. Honored guests, to our loving teachers and staff, to our supportive parents, fellow graduates, family and friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. To start with, I humbly thank God for allowing us to safely gather today. I would like to congratulate my fellow graduates, even if there's still a threat of COVID pandemic in every place, we still managed to go this far in school. We are bidding goodbye to our dear alma mater. As graduate of this institution, this marks of the new chapter of our journey in high school. Elementary days is over, but the knowledge imparted by our teachers from grade 1 to grade 6 is our stepping stone to go to high school. Thank you, dear teachers, for all the knowledge you shared to us. We learned and understand every lessons, tasks, and projects given. We gain new knowledge, we build friendships and camaraderies to my dear classmates. To our dear parents, to my beloved grandparents, akong tatay dito o nanay Clarita, and to my deceased mom Maricel, and of course, to my loving and supportive Papa Edison. Salamat kayo sa inyong kusog, kasibot o walay puas na pagsuporta sa ako ang pag-eskwela. bisan pa sa kalisod sa panahon nga nahihaguman before, during and after the pandemic. Ma and Pa, thank you for the opportunity that you've given me to see and experience the world. I love you both. This year's graduation theme, graduate ng K-12, hinubog ng matatag na edukasyon. K-12 graduates molded through a resilient educational foundation. The theme itself implies that we graduates of batch 2023 Talusan Elementary School done through difficult times. We experienced transition period from face-to-face classes. Then the time of pandemics, we stopped our daily routines in going to school. We totally stopped to avoid the spread of the COVID. Especially as minors, we were prisoned in our home waiting. Thankfully, our deputy officials resolved all this to modular and virtual classes. But I miss to see, chit-chat, play and study in the classroom with my dear classmates. I miss also our dear teachers who showed love and care to us in teaching us our lessons. We only have modules to study, cell phones to search, and research important topics related to the modules given. We students adapt what the institutions want. Stay at home, do your modules to avoid COVID. Pandemic has brought us various experiences in the field of education, and these challenges have tested our patience and our endurance that no matter what circumstance we might be in, we will emerge resilient and overcoming. Our batch has encountered a lot of difficulties in surviving our life as graduates due to COVID-19. We tried our best, and with guidance and direction of our teachers and parents, we become successful in this elementary stage of learning. To help others, especially during the pandemic and in situations that need help, is one of the few life lessons that we have learned. Studying for the past 2 years was never easy. Millions have died with the pandemic, and we are blessed to survive. Thank you very much, Lord Jesus Christ. And now, 2 years had passed, the threat is still there with the COVID virus. But we continue our lives and back to face-to-face. How quickly time passed by. We overcome all the struggle through times, and we are resilient enough to face every challenges that we face. As we move up to the higher ladder of education, we must be resilient enough to adapt in high school. My fellow graduates, let us not doubt the positive impact that education can do to us. Bigger and bolder challenges are yet to come. Let us use the knowledge that we have gained and we are going to gain to win them all. Don't give up. Let's study hard until we reach our goals. To all our teachers and parents, thank you. Requesting my fellow graduates to stand and let us bow our heads as our salute and gratitude to our teachers and parents. Of course, to our grade 6 teacher, Mrs. Eden S. Paharo. To the stakeholders for their support as well headed by our SPTA and SGC presidents, Mr. Manuel O. Bahia and Mr. Cirilo P. Cocamas. A simple message to my fellow graduates. As we leave the portal of our dear alma mater, Talusan Elementary School, I hope we will not forget what high school teach us for the future. It all started here, where we learned a lot. Thank you, and High graduates of batch 2023 of Talusan Elementary School. Mabuhay po tayong nagsipagtapos sa taong ito. Let us strengthen ourselves and our dreams. Para sa matatag na edukasyon, I end up my speech with Nelson Mandela said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." Thank you and have a great day ahead.